Now we're in our mountain pose. Our feet are together. On our next inhale, we're going to come into chair pose. And then as we exhale, we're going to come into our forward fold. Inhale back to chair. Exhale, Tadasana. Let's try that again. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, fold. Inhale, chair. Exhale, Tadasana. Now we are going to do that one more time, but I want to show you how you can do this with a block for more activation for the inner thighs. So you'll simply place the block between your inner thighs. Now this is going to open the feet a little bit away from each other. That's okay. We'll try it now, maintaining the block between the thighs by squeezing the thighs together. So inhale, sit back, chair pose. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, it's chair. And then exhale, Tadasana. So you can take a couple more rounds with the block there if you really liked that variation, or you can stick with doing it without the block if you don't have a block. Either way, try both. See which one is feeling really good in your body. And just know the movement is chair, fold, chair, Tadasana. Inhaling chair, exhaling fold, inhale chair, exhale Tadasana.